Hi, it's Lainey Jones with Great Life RE, brokered by eXp Realty. Welcome to our Living Small series. Today, we're going to talk about 3409 Gap Road. This is brand new construction, close to downtown Knoxville, convenient to the interstates. So what we have is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, efficient design, 867 square feet, luxury vinyl flooring, carpeting upstairs. We even have a walk-in closet in the master bedroom, granite countertops in the kitchen, and a beautiful front porch to hang out with friends and family. So let's go see it. Now that you've seen this great tiny house, give me a call for your private showing, 865-356-5003.